Assalamualaikum. Hari ni kita nak ajar Nina pakai miter saw paling selamat, the safest miter saw, the safest. Nina, are you ready? Ready? Okay, good. Okay, come closer, come closer. No, this way, stand over here. Okay, can you see this? Can you see this? Okay, so this is miter saw. It is a cordless miter saw. Okay, so before you start, before you try, make sure the battery is out. Okay, after that you insert the battery, you can hear that click. That click, battery is good. Battery is good. Now this trigger, come closer, Nina. Come closer. This trigger, you push the trigger, then only you can switch on. Understand? Push the trigger and on. That's how it works. Okay, let's go for a sample. I'm going to remove this. Okay, ni lubang ni, faham ah? Remove this. So I just draw a simple line. Marking here, and I want to remove this part of the wood. Okay, so the easy step is switch on. Okay, so when you switch on, you see that laser? Okay, so remember, when you use a miter saw, we always remove the side. After the line, make sure. Now this is okay. Now this is a very important message. Yeah, do not put your hand on the machine. Do not. Okay, but instead use this. Use this. Okay, it should hold the wood. It should hold the wood. Okay, and then once done, we just trigger on. Wait. One more thing. Don't forget to wear your glasses. Don't forget to wear your safety glass. Okay? Now, it's the moment of truth. Simple, on, slowly. Wait. Okay, slowly. That's it. Simple. And you have a very good result. Okay? Now it's your turn.